my room down the hall, and I'll sleep here tonight.
Okay, and thanks.
You don't think Mr. Drackle could be a vampire, do you?
Of course not.
I once read that vampires can change into bats.
Well, stop worrying. I've locked the door and the window so nothing can get in here.
Good night, Velma.
Good night, Daphne. Daphne, wake up!
Yikes, it's the vampire!
Velma, Daphne, like you're watching The Late Show, I hope.
Something's wrong. We'll have to break the door down.
Okay, if we gotta, we gotta. Stand clear. Scooby-Doo.
What's wrong?
A vampire! He was reaching for my neck.
I was right about Drackle. His coffin's a daybed.
It wasn't Drackle. The vampire had long fangs and a dead white face.
Dead white face? Must be a couple of quarts low on blood.
Well, whoever or whatever he was, he's gone now.
But where'd he come from or go to? The door was locked from the inside and the windows bolted.
Look out! Stay away! I gave it the blood bank! Like that's what happened to that creep. He turned into a vampire bat.
I don't know what's going on here, but we better start checking around for clues and find out.
Clues? Dum, 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 dum.
Good going, Dunn. You found a clue.
I did?
Right. That ventilating duct could be how the vampire got in here.
Well, we better warn Lisa about the vampire right away.